Hello, welcome back to Hidden Gems. This is the Hidden Gems bonus. Hidden Gems is where we try to show you capabilities of the product that we want you to know about, but they may not be obvious. So we just covered some extensions to string, and we also talked about a number of principles about Smalltalk. We want to make frequent or difficult things as simple, succinct, and clear as possible. We want to get more done with less code and be incredibly clear. We want to talk to objects the way we want, and I call that the what would I like to say technique. And also, hey, unary messages are great for simplicity and clarity. So the bonus today, we're going to talk about pattern matching with strings. So let's get right to it. Last time, let's create this string right here. We recommend eating fruits and a healthy diet and mentioned some fruits. We talked last time, does this include the substring apple? And in fact, it does. But what if we want to check on multiple things? Well, for that, I have a pattern matching class called match group. And there's some different ways for creating that. We can create a match group just by saying with, and then with, and with wildcards. Let's check out the difference there. If we inspect this, the match string is just grape. If we look at this one right here, the match string includes wildcards because we told it with wildcards. Or here's even shorter. I can just say to grape with wildcards, and what will that give us? The exact same thing. So this is really succinct and short for creating this pattern matching class facility or utility. And then I can say, does that match? And in fact, it does, because grape is within this. We can create a pattern. Let's check it out, looking for 1 and 2, and I don't believe that's up here. Let's verify that. False. So it does not include 1 and 2. If we want to look for, say, pear and banana, and then, okay, we have multiple things. Are we saying, is it pear or banana, or pear and banana? So we can specify. I'm going to say the match is and. So I can create that. And actually, let's take a look at that. So I have a function is and, so it knows what to do when I'm looking for matches. The match strings are my pear and banana with wildcards. So I can, in fact, see that this is true. I can also say with pear and with mango. Mango does not exist up there, but I'm going to use an or. So I'm going to say if it contains either one, the function is or. The match strings are pear and mango. And I can say, and this should be true, and in fact it is. But we even have some shorter ways. Remember, make things as simple, succinct, and clear. So I can create one of these patterns with a much simpler thing. I can say simply pear or mango with wildcards. Now that is very succinct and clear. And let's check that out. Or with the match string. So this right here is the equivalent of this code. Different ways of doing it, different ways of being very succinct and clear. And finally, and you can do that with and also right here. And also if you have a large number, say you're parsing some words and you have a large number, you can say match group with all. And let's just check that out. We have all these added with wildcards to make it simpler to search using and or logic, multiple strings and substrings. So I hope you found that useful. If you'd like this code or any of the other code that we discussed, I am happy to send it to you. Just email me at athomas@cincom.com. Until next time, have a great time with Cincom Smalltalk.